Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable random welcome message when a user joins the server on Discord. First, what we're going to do is we're going to click on our server name, go to server settings, and select engagement. Now, as you guys can see, right at the top here, we have system messages, and here we have a send a random welcome message when someone joins the server. So we can disable it. We can disable the prompt members to reply to welcome message with a sticker, and of course you can keep when someone boosts a server. So here you can also change the system messages channel, so we can put it into HardReset.Info server for an example. We're gonna save the changes, and now when somebody joins, there will be no notification unless they boost a servers. Then the notification will be here. So that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.